Let me show you how easy and fast it is to record a deduction with Taxbot. Simply open up your Taxbot app and tap Add Expense or Appointment. The great thing about Taxbot is that unlike many expense trackers on the market, our app asks you the questions that the IRS requires for a legitimate deduction. First, let's pick a category for our expense by tapping the Category field. Taxbot comes with categories pre-filled for you, but I will show you how to customize these in a minute. Select your category. Depending on the category you pick, you will be asked to provide different information according to IRS standards. Let's say you're doing a sales call over lunch with John Doe. So we're going to select the meals category. Now I can fill out the rest of the information. The purpose was a sales call, and I bought lunch and it cost $25. Where did I buy it? I bought it at Ray's Diner. Be specific. The date is filled in for me automatically, but I can change it if I need to just by tapping on it. Who did I meet with? I met with John Doe. If I have John Doe's contact information in my phone, I can get it from my contacts by pressing the plus button, or I can simply type in the client's name by tapping on the field. Now for the receipt. Simply tap Attach Receipt and you will get two options. Take a picture of your receipt from the camera, or you can add it from your library if you already have the picture on your phone. Now I'm doing this demo on a simulator, and I actually don't have a camera on the simulator. But on your phone, you'll see the camera pop up and you'll be able to take a picture. Once you've taken the picture, press Done and you'll be back to your expense details page. If you had already recorded some mileage to Ray's Diner with Taxbot, you could link this expense to that trip by clicking Attach Trip. This tags the two together. Like I said, you don't have to tag them together. It just makes it easier to find information later. Simply click Save and your expense is done. No more shoeboxes full of receipts and your bookkeeping is done. All of your info, including your receipt, will be synced to your account online. If you want to make sure that you are synced with the website, simply go to the home page and hit the Sync button. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can customize your expense categories. Do that by opening up a new expense, going to your Categories tab, and then in the upper right-hand corner you'll see a little plus here. Select whether it's an appointment category or a general category, give it a name, and click Save. It will now show up in your list of categories for you to pick from. Well, that's it for adding an expense. Make sure you watch the next video about adding a trip and tracking your business mileage automatically.